Guys, today this video, we are gonna make a new video. This is where I spin the wheel. Anyway, where you can probably guess, I'm gonna tell stories about the Pokemon. Let's go. First one is gonna be a electric type. Then the second one is gonna be a electric dragon. Then we get a passive one. Legendary, evil, nothing. Corrupted is our special one. And Crystalline and Megas and Dynamax. We got evil. We're evil. Now let's do this. Only one. Okay. Long time ago. Electricity dragon type. Mostly to desist. Mostly get off the power of electricity in dragon. Mostly be a flying dragon. This brings me with only one form of a time. So there's only one in 1 year. Most of them been captured by evil villagers, causing the company super evil and come with the electricity, the villains, and they caused the war of the destroyed village.